In this video, I'm gonna open my facial mister from NÜFresh. Ah. Hello, my name is Nayda. If you are new to the channel, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. I invite you to subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and leave me a comment if you have any questions. NÜFresh, last October 2021, I modeled for them and I got to try their facial mister. It was pretty cool. So they sent me a package. Look how cute the box. And I'm gonna open this with you guys. Stay fresh with NÜFresh. How cute. Stay fresh with NÜFresh. Look how cute. It's a customized box and it has a customized tissue paper, I think so, and it has a sticker that says stay fresh, thank you, with NÜFresh. Thank you. Here's the mister. It comes wrapped in a package. I'm gonna set this here first. It comes with a dropper. And then it comes with a card, with a care guide card. Look how cute. With their branding, NÜFresh. And then it comes with like a charger type of thing. USB with the other side. I don't know what the name, but how nice, right? And then there's like confetti and like I don't know if it's confetti, but it's very nice. Nice packaging. I like the packaging. I like the blue and purple, and then it has like circles. Super cute. Very environmental friendly. How cute. Open it like this, and then there's a cap. The cap goes on top here. So here it is. Look how cute. You recognize his hands? This is the button that to turn it on. So this I have to press twice. Oh, you see it has a blue light. That means it's on. See it in there? And then if I press twice again, or once, it goes off. So I turn it off. So then it has here, this is the top where I will be opening, and then I have to pull this. It's small. I mean, I have a ruler here if you want. This is really good for hydration. So what it does is that the facial mister, it makes the molecules of the water smaller so they can actually go into your skin, because usually things stay on top of your face, right? Because the face is a skin barrier, is here to protect us. So but with this, with the NÜFresh facial mister, it helps, it makes the water particles smaller, and then it gets it actually into your skin. So it's really good for hydration. And if you're not into skincare, you can actually use it as a hand sanitizer. Let me get some clean water and toner. A bit of coffee. I love coffee. I have to add 5 millimeters of toner. So this is 1 millimeter. So I have to do this 5 times, and then the rest will be water. I currently use the Inkyless PHA toner I'm gonna feel like I'm in a lab doing all this. So this 5 times. There you go. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. I got here filter water. Ah, it's like right there. Ah, I feel it up. And then I put this on the top. Let me move the things I don't need because I am very organized. I'm going to double click. Look how cool. Look how beautiful it looks. Enter the skin barrier. Look at that. How powerful it shoots. Oh, it feels really nice. Well, this was fun. I really like it. I like the size. I like how light it feels. It can actually fit like in my pocket. Like I can even show you. It's so small. So it feels really nice on my face. It doesn't make a loud noise, so I totally recommend it. I'm gonna insert their website in the description, and thank you for watching this video. My name is Nayda. I invite you to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment if you have any questions, or if you have any experience using any facial mister. Well, take care, guys.